Hello guys, today again I'm Madhu Tiwari in front of you with the tenses. Yes, the first one in the tenses, the present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense. Yes. So I'm going to give you the explanation for the tenses of present indefinite tense. This tense is used in only usually used in present tense. Yes, the present tense. In this sentence we have to know about the universal truth and the habitual action. Universal truth and the habitual action. In these both actions we have to use the present indefinite tense with the helping verb do or does. Actually, the helping verb do or does is not the helping verb. This is the auxiliary word. Yes, helping verb. So next one, I am going to give you the explanation next. The first one is you have to know the signs. Yes, the signs. पहचान, इसकी पहचान ये है कि ends with, the sentence will ends with दा है, ती है, ते है. In the Hindi words, this will end with ता है, ती है and ते है. Yes, and the meaning of these sentences will relate to with this ता है, ती है and ते है. It must be remembered in your mind. The next one is after he, she, it. After he, she, it or noun, we will write s or es with verbs. With verbs, I will write. You have to write the s or es instead of not anyone in the verb instead of any verb. You have to write only the s or es with the verb. Examples, I have the examples. Yes, then first one I am going to tell you. Yes, first one, she writes with her left hand. She writes with her left hand. She is our subject and write is our verb. But we have added here es. I have told you before, he, she, with the he, she, it, we will write s or es with verbs. So we have written here verb s or es writes. With verb we have added here writes es with her left hand. So I have told you first when I was explaining that the habitual action and the universal truth. This one is the habitual action. This one sentence is in the habitual action. So you can write like this: she writes with her left hand, because this is the habit of her from the beginning. This is the habit. And I have also the universal truth. So next one, you can see oil floats on water. Oil floats on water. This sentence is in the universal truth. This one is the universal truth. So these all are the examples for the present indefinite tense. That we have added here the verbs and the auxiliary verb, and the how we have to write in universal truth or with the habitual action. So next I am going to explain you. I have the rules also here. And yes, and present indefinite tense, this shows the universal truth and the habitual action also. Then there will be also be the rules of indefinite tense. I have the rules of the I have the rules for the present indefinite tense. You have to mindset in your present indefinite or all the tenses rules. If you will learn the subject, if you will explain, you can explain the rules, then no need to fed up for this tenses, because if you learn this and practice with these rules, you can easily mindset, you can set in your mind for the future also. Yes, so let's see what's the rules. Yes. Next, simple present tense. In the simple present tense, we have here subject plus do or does. Before I told you, subject plus do or does plus verb first form plus s or es and plus object. This one is for simple indefinite tense, simple present indefinite tense. And the next one is negative. In the negative means we can see the negative means the not. So we can observe like this: subject plus do or does, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb form plus object. This one is for negative sentence. In the interrogative sentence, I have do or does. I have to write this auxiliary verb from the beginning. I have to start from here. Do or does will be first, and the subject verb first form plus object plus question mark. Question mark is important in the interrogative sentence. Question mark is important in the interrogative sentence. If you will see the question mark, that means that sentence will be in the interrogative sentence. This is the signs also. Yes. So next one, I have the fourth one also. Negative. This one negative and the interrogative sentence. Negative and the interrogative sentence. Both we have added both. And what will be the next? What will be the next? For the negative and interrogative sentence, not plus do or does will be also in this sentence. For the fourth one sentence. For the fourth one formula. Do or does, let's see, do or does plus subject plus not. This one was in negative also. Do or does plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. So I have told you the explanation. So if you will not practice for the sentences, not practice, or you have to practice and more practice for the all these rules. With these rules, you only set in your mind the subject plus do or does plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. This one is the for the simple sentence.